Get the balls, guys. Oliver. Are you happy? Do you like your new room? Do you like your new room? Noisy girl. You are noisy.
What is this? I mean, isn't it too expensive? It must have cost you dear. She'll be great.
Baby boy.
Oh, double belly kisses.
Belly kisses.
Thank you, Bubba. You never let Daddy do belly kisses.
You're being a noisy girl. Sophia.
Daddy give you belly kisses. I think you are.
This is a lace handkerchief your daddy brought me.
Very, very good.
Thank you for the sweet kisses.
Put it right here. Right here. Come on. Come on. Hi. Come on. Uh-oh. You gonna help him? Sophia, you gonna help Oliver? Uh-oh. Make a boy. Do you like your new apartment? You're a good boy? Are you happy? Are you a happy boy? Are you a happy boy? Come on, big guy. Very good, Oliver. Very good.